In this lesson, we will be talking about half notes and half rests. We are on page 7, number 11 in the Standard of Excellence Book 1 for Flute. A half note is 2 counts long. So if you see in the first measure, number 11, there are 2 half notes in the measure. We're in 4/4 times, there's only 4 beats in a measure, so we can only have 2 half notes. In the next measure, we have a half note in what looks like a whole rest, but if you look closely, this is a half rest. You can tell because it's on top of a line. If you have your line and the rest on top, it's a half rest. You have the line and the rest underneath, it's a whole rest. Okay? Half rest is 2 counts. So the first 2 measures we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest, rest. So you have 2 beats per note since it's a half note, and then a half rest. Okay? Let us play through number 11. When you're playing, make sure you're counting the whole time. When I'm thinking about my half notes, ta, 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 rest, rest. I am thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking those counts, so make sure you do that, and that'll make playing a lot easier. Here we go. Number 11. 1, 2, ready. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. That was number 11. Okay, so make sure you keep count the entire time while you're playing. All right, let's take a look at number 12. In addition to counting in your head, it will help if you're counting with your foot. Okay, so tap that foot and keep that foot tapping nice and steady, and that will also help you play through the music. All right, number 12. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready. That's number 12. Now you may have noticed it may be a little bit difficult for you to go from the first measure to the second measure, C going to your D. Watch my fingers as I play that. I want to play the first 2 measures. Watch how closely my fingers stay to the keys. They didn't move very far, did they? Mm-mm. If you let your fingers come up really high, doesn't really sound as good, and it's hard to get the fingers there. But if you keep your fingers close, sorry, that wasn't my best sound. Okay, but you can do a lot of fast movement if your fingers stay close to the keys. All right, let's take a look at number 13. This is a duet. Okay, first we're going to play through the A line together, and then through the B line together, and then we're going to switch. Okay, so let's play through the A line. 1, 2, ready. Now let's play through the B line. Okay, pause the video whenever you need to check your fingerings and make sure you've got it right. Okay, here we go. This is the B line, number 13. 1, 2, ready. Rewind the video, go back to where I'm playing the A line and you play the B line. And then when I switch and play the B line, you play the A line. We will create what's called harmony. And you'll learn more about that during class. So that was numbers 11, 12, and 13. You know about half notes and half rests now. Thank you for joining me for this lesson.